Welcome to the Content Engine Planner walkthrough. Whether you are a content creator, a professional, or business owner trying to stand out online, this planner is designed to help you. Inside, you will find proven ChatGPT structures for creating personalized content and 90 days of ready-to-use ideas for reels, stories, and carousels, plus a simple and fun way to organize your content calendar. So once you grab the planner, the first step is to duplicate it into your own Notion workspace. So you come here at the top and click on Duplicate. It will appear to the screen asking where would you like to add your template, and then you're going to select your own workspace and add to private. Alright, so after the duplication is completed, the template is ready for your own use. So you can edit, add your own ideas. So let's start exploring it. Here at the top, you have the cover that you can change. First of all, everything here is personalized, so I will focus on how to use it. And then you can later change the icon, you can change the cover on all pages and all sections, you can change the color here, but let's focus on the content inside it, okay? So the first thing you see is the main menu with the pages for the content planning that we are going to explore soon, the Reels ideas, the story ideas, the carousel ideas, and the ChatGPT prompts. You scroll down and you see a widget with the time and day of the week we are right now, and below there is the menu, and this will appear on the left side on every page, so you can quickly return to your home page by clicking on this button or access any page no matter where inside the planner you are. You will see it soon, okay? And here at the right side, you have the content calendar. You have view by month, so you can see your entire month of content that is planned, what is planned for the day, and also the week view. I like to keep the week view here, so I know exactly what is coming. And if I open here, I can see all the details. When it's going to go live, the goal, the media, the content bucket, the format, the status, etc. You will learn how to add this soon. You have either the option to go inside the content planning page or just click here on the plus button, add an item, and add your content idea. Let's scroll down for the target audience. So here is where you're going to add the insights about your buyers. So you can add here their pain points, the questions they have, and their desires. Below you have your goals. So here could be, for example, my goal is to reach 10,000 followers on Instagram. And yeah, you can add as many goals as you want. If you want to add more than 3, you can just duplicate it and boom, ready for you. And here in the notes are quick notes that you need to write during your week. So reply to emails or something like this. And below you have your Instagram feed. It's a template on Canva. So what you need to do, I will show you shortly. Let me just show you the other things here, okay? Then there is the calendar again, but now only with the monthly views. So you can see it and compare with your Instagram feed and maybe reorganize it based on the aesthetics if it's important for you and for your strategy. Below you have the content ideas with the story, reels, and carousel ideas shortcut and the ChatGPT prompts and how to use it. So now let's return here for the Canva. You will first access the template, click here to see the original. Okay, so I opened the template and I am logged in my Canva account. I will go here at the top, click on file and make a copy. Now with the copy opened, I can easily click on each one of these squares. So now I will delete all these images and add my own. Let me show you. I will first delete all. Cool, so now everything is clean. I just need to take my photo and add to the respective square in my feed. So let's pretend I added all the pictures of my feed here. Now I will come here at the top, click on share, and you will create a public view link. Create a public view link, copy it, and now we will return here to our Notion template. Click on these 3 dots, more actions, and replace. Now you just paste your link, wait a bit, and here it is. And if it comes with this weird size, you can simply adjust it here. So I will make in the same size of the calendar, and here it is. Every time I add a new picture, it will be sync to the Canva. So every time I add a new picture, it will appear here. Alright, so this part is done. Now let's explore each page we have inside this template. Let's go at the top. The first page is the content planning. So here inside content, if this symbol appears, it's all good. You just have to click here and select the home page. So every time you are here and you want to return to your home page, you just click this button and here it is. Let's go there. And same apply for the pages below. Okay, so here I already have 2 ideas I added. So let's say I'm planning my content and I want to create a carousel about 5 tips for content creation. So this is my idea. The description, I can add the post description or a briefing of what I'm planning to do in this content. I will just add a hashtag. The format is carousel. The bucket is educational. Here there are these 3 options: educational, inspiration, entertainment, but you can also add your own content bucket. So for example, could be lifestyle. So I just have to write and create. So let's return here. The media will be a Canva carousel and the status is interactive. Here is the date that my post will go live. So let's say on 22 of September, and it is top funnel. And here in the file, I can embed a link with the Canva link for the post or upload it. Most of the times I don't like to edit unless I'm working with another person, like with a freelancer, someone helping me, an assistant, so everyone has easy access for the files. And then you return home. You see here on 22 the page we just created. If you open it, everything is here, and it's also a page, so you can write whatever you want here. For example, if you are recording a Reels, you can write the script inside it or add all the references for your video inside it. Now going to the Reels ideas. For me, this is the nicest part. Here you will find a month worth of Reel ideas that can be easily adapted to your style, your audience, and you can use it as an inspiration to your own content using your own creativity, or you can also ask for ChatGPT help. Let me show you one example. So let's open here. This is my process. So the category is educational. The hook is here's how I, and there is a call to action. There's also instructions on how to use this and examples. So examples on different niches like wedding photographer, sale consultant, fashion creator. And for every card you are seeing here is the same structure. There are examples for different industries, different niches, and you can apply it to your own content. So one little tip, you can copy the content from the page and paste it into ChatGPT with the prompt, I am a professional in this niche, please create an engaging Reel script for me using this structure. And then you just copy and paste from here, and you will have in seconds, like in a minute, you can have a viral Reel script in your hands. Now let's return to home page and open the story ideas. And it's the same concept of the Reels. Here you have 1 month of ready to use story sequence. Let me open one here to show you. So you can see the objective, the purpose, and also the story sequence. So you have story 1 with the hook, the story 2 with the initial context, the story 3 with deeper feelings, and it goes like this until story, let me see, 8 with the call to action. And with generic version and also example on different niches. So you can take it as an inspiration and also as a reference for you to create your own content inside ChatGPT. There are different examples for different professionals, also all the objectives are slightly different from each other. So you have no excuse to don't create content. Like you literally just have to open your planner, come here, copy what is inside. So let's go now to the Carousel Ideas, and then we are going to create one piece of content together, okay? Because I really want you to see how easy it is. So let's go to Carousel Ideas. Here, same concept. You'll find 30 days of Carousel post ideas. You can open it and just take inspiration from it. So let me show you, for example, what no one tells you. I will just copy it, like with the objective and everything. Now I will go to ChatGPT. I'm not even using my Plus account. I'm in my regular free account, just to show you how easy it is. Like you don't even need to have a paid account. So, okay, so hello, I am a marketing consultant and I need to create an engaging carousel for my Instagram addressing the struggle people have with content creation. Please use the following structure as a reference, and then I will paste it and go. Let's see what ChatGPT will write for us. Okay, so initial hook, what nobody tells you about creating content. Few people know that content creation isn't about posting daily, it's about posting consistently. Another point, nobody posting, don't need to new ideas all the time, help you reach okay, so it's talking about repacking old content in new formats. Save this post for your next planning session. It's really good. I would definitely share this in my profile, so now you can even create the image here on ChatGPT, or you can also create on Canva. I prefer to create my content in Canva, but that's it. Super simple. You see, like it took us 1 minute to create a sequence for our carousel, so you can do it every day. Like now, let's go to ChatGPT Prompts. All right, so the prompts in these sections provide a practical and strategic way to create content, starting with a detailed presentation of your profile, your brand, or business. From there, ChatGPT helps you generate ideas for Instagram posts in different formats. And here's how the process works. There's the presentation. So the first step is to describe your profile, mission, and business goal. Then the idea generation based on your profile and target audience. Then it comes the third part, that is creating reels, stories, and carousel. So once the ideas are defined, they can be applied to the most effective Instagram formats, ensuring your content reaches and resonates with your audience. So what is the difference from what I just showed for you now? In the Reels, carousels, and story ideas pages, you have ready to use templates. So you just copy and paste, you adapt it, but now you are going to create something more personalized. You are going to level up your game here. Okay, so let's start with the beginning, the presentation. So inside the page, you have all the foundation for the content. There is the guideline on how to use this prompt. You just need to replace the fields in brackets with details about your brand, business, or project. And yeah, inside this page, you have all the information, the prompt, why to use this prompt, your mission. You also have examples here. So inside the page, there is all the step-by-step you need to use this prompt in the better way possible. And if you go on the endless ideas, is the same thing. So here inside the ChatGPT prompts page, on the presentation, on the endless ideas, on the reels, on the stories, on the carousel pages, you have a complete step-by-step guide on how to create guideline for your brand and to create endless content in ChatGPT. So it's really easy to use. It will only require you a bit more time to write down, to analyze, to personalize it for your own usage. But once it's done, you just come here and you can generate content every day like a machine. So let's return to home. All right, so now you have all the information you need to start using your planner. It's really simple, really intuitive. And if you have any questions, please hit me out by email or on Instagram that I will reply each one of you and address any questions or concerns you may have, okay? Remember to take the time to fill all the information here, to check the story, Reels ideas, Carousel ideas, and also to read how to use ChatGPT Prompts in the best way possible for your business. Remember to keep up with your consistency. You have all the tools, all the resources you need to start leveraging your Instagram account. I believe in you. Thank you so much and bye.